In this video, we will be seeing the arithmetic operators in Java. So arithmetic operators in Java are nothing but the very basic operators which will perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So under arithmetic operators category, we have the operators like plus, minus, multiplication, which is represented or denoted by asterisk symbol, and division by slash, and then we have the modulus, which is represented or denoted by percentile symbol. So these are the arithmetic operators which we have in Java. So when we use an operator, operator is nothing but a symbol that will perform operation on data. So data can be in any form like variables or constants, etc. So arithmetic operators perform basic arithmetic operations. So these operators perform basic arithmetic operations like plus, minus, that is, we can say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So now let's see how to use this operator for variables. Suppose I have variables like int a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So if I have the variable declaration like this in the C program, like integer a is 10 and b 20, then I can use on it the arithmetic operators like a plus b, a minus b, a multiplication multiplied by b, and a divide by b, and then also we have a modulus b. So these are the arithmetic operators which we have in Java and which will be performing the basic arithmetic operations. So according to our values, a plus b will be giving the result 30, a minus b will be giving the result minus 10 because a is less than b, and a multiplied by b will be giving the result as 200, and a divided by b will be giving 10 divided by 20, 0 point something. So, and then we have modulus also, it will give you some remainder which will be 0 point something. So let's see this practically in a dev C++ ID. So here when we open dev C++ ID, we get like this. I'm creating a new source file which I will be, or let's open the already existing file. We can open a file. So I'm opening on an already existing file of C where I'm going to write a simple C program. So already I have added to it some C program where I have include stdio.h, which adds the standard input output header file. Then there is the main method, main function. So I'm closing this. So this is saved as test.c. C type of file it is saved as, and it has extension .c. That's why. So in the main, I am going to declare int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 20. You can take other values also, and I'm going to print the result which we get for performing the operation. So a plus b I will be doing. So that directly the result I will be printing for a plus b here in this manner. Same way with all other operators I will be writing. So I'm just copying and pasting the same statement, and I'll be just changing the symbol. So here also a minus b, a multiplied by b, a divide by b, and a modulus b. So now first compile it to check any errors. So there are no errors or warnings, and then I am running it. So when I run it, I get a plus b is 30, a minus b minus 10, a multiplied by b 200, a divided by b 0, and a modulus b is 10. So 10 will be the remainder when we divide a by b. So if I take 10 and 2 as values, and to get it in new line, I'm adding slash n before every printing statement. So slash n I'm adding so that every time the cursor is moved to new line. So if we move to new line, every time the result will be coming in a new line. So first compile it to check any errors and then run it. So we get a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b. So the values are 10 and 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20, and 10 divided by 2 is the quotient will be 5, and 10 divided by 2 remainder is 0. So this way we get the result for this arithmetic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Modulus will always give the remainder as result. Division will give the quotient as result. So these are the arithmetic operators which we have in C programming. So thank you for watching the video, and for other operators and other C programming concepts, please do subscribe the channel. And on this channel, you will also be finding other computer programming languages. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And thanks again for watching the video.